Hi, preschool friends. So most of us were pretty good at knowing our shapes before we left our preschool class, but it's been a little bit, so I thought it was really important for us to review our shapes. I want you to think in your mind about everything you know about shapes. What do you know? You know that there are different shapes. How do we describe a shape? We describe a shape using words like vertices and sides. Do you remember that? So our job is going to be to tell the name of the shape, describe the shape, and then think about something in your house or go find something in your house that is that shape and maybe talk to an adult in your house about it. So let's get started. Are you ready? I'm ready. All right. So our first shape is, let's try this, triangle. Can you describe a triangle? What do you know about it? How many sides does it have? If you said 3, you're right. How many vertices does it have? Do we remember what a vertices is? The vertice is the point on the shape. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. 3 means tri. That's why we call it a triangle. Think about something in your house that is a triangle shape. And if you can think of it, maybe you can pause the video and, go get it for your mom or dad and show them. All right. What is this? Some of you are going to call this a diamond. You wouldn't be wrong. But the math word for this shape is rhombus. Let's think about a rhombus. What do we know about it? A rhombus is like a what? If you turn it a little bit, it looks like a square turned on its side. A rhombus has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many vertices does a rhombus have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like another shape we're going to talk about. Look in your house. See if there's anything you can think of in your house or anywhere that would tell you that this is a diamond, or the math word is rhombus. Good job. Oh, this one is a hard one. This is our hardest one, but for some of our friends, they're going to know this. So some of our friends know that this is a trapezoid. If you said trapezoid, you were right. A trapezoid has 2 sides that are straight and 2 sides that are slanted. A slanted line goes like this. A straight line goes like, this. So 2 straight lines go like this and like this, and 2 slanted lines that goes like this. So that is a trapezoid, but a trapezoid does have how many sides? 4 sides. How many vertices? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. A trapezoid has 4 vertices and 4 sides. Does any other shapes have 4 vertices and 4 sides that we remember? A rhombus has 4 vertices and 4 sides, and I bet we might even find another one that does. All right. Oh, what is this? Think. This is a circle. If you said circle, you were right. Great job. And this circle has, think about it. How many sides does a circle have? If you said 0, you are right. A circle doesn't have any sides. It is one curved line that doesn't stop. It's a curved line. A circle is one curved line. How many vertices does it have? A vertice is a point. Does a circle have any points? 0. That's right. A circle has 0 vertices. Think of something in your house that is a circle. Let's look at this next one. Oh, that's our good friend. What shape is this? Think. If you think this shape is a star, you're right. Good job. How many points does a star have? Well, let's count it and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This star has 5 points. This star has 5 points. Think of something in your house that's in the shape of a star. Okay, friends, sorry about that. That was my dog. Okay, so What shape is this? Think, think, think. Matt Man has one of these on his body, or in his body. Tell me what this is. If you said heart, you're right. Good job. A heart has 1 point here at the bottom. 1 point or vertices. A heart has 1 vertices. Think about something in your house that's in the shape of a heart. And if you can find it, maybe you can bring it to your adult that's in your house with you. Let's see what's next. Oh, let's see. What do we have here? All right. Think about it. Think, think, think. What shape is this? If you said oval, you would be right. This shape is an oval. It is a circle that's kind of smushed. It's like a smushed circle. A lot of students are able to connect an oval to an egg. An oval is the same shape as an egg. So that helps you think about it. Think about something in your house that is an oval, and maybe you can show it to your adult in your house. How many sides does an oval have? If you said 0, you'd be right. Just like a circle, an oval has no sides. How many vertices does an oval have? If you said 0, you'd be right. All right, let's see what's next. Oh, this is often a difficult shape for preschoolers. This shape is a rectangle. If you said rectangle, you are right. Let's see how many sides. How many sides does this rectangle have? 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 sides. We had some other shapes with 4 sides. Let's think also about the vertices that this rectangle has. How many vertices does a rectangle have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. Now I saved this for last, these two, because preschoolers have a hard time telling the difference. I'm going to cover up a little bit right here between a rectangle and this guy. What's this guy called? If you can see it better, that guy is a square. Is a square. Preschoolers have a hard time figuring out the difference between a rectangle and a square. Woo! They're very difficult to figure out. So I'm going to help. We're going to talk a little bit about them right now and see if we can figure this out. So if we're looking at a rectangle and a square, how are they the same? A rectangle and a square are the same. They both have 4 sides. If we count them, 1, 2, 3, 4 on this rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the square. They both have 4 sides. How many vertices do they have? We know a rectangle has 4 vertices. A square also has 4 vertices. So we now know they have the same vertices and the same sides. So how are they different? This is the hardest thing for us to figure out when we're a preschooler. So let's talk about it. If you notice, I'm going to put the square right next to the rectangle right there. They're together just like that. So I want to get them so you can see them. Okay, so a rectangle has 4 sides, but 2 are short and 2 are long. So 2 short sides, I'm going to put this down. Put this down. A rectangle, 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Do we see how those are long? And these are short. If we're looking at a square, tell me what you see. All the sides are the same. All the sides are the same on a square. The thing that makes a square is it has 4 sides, 4 vertices, and all the sides are the same. What makes a rectangle is it has 4 sides and 4 vertices, but it has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. That is how we tell the difference between a rectangle and a square. So if you could please turn to someone in your house, your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother, your dog, your cat, your favorite stuffed animal, and tell them the difference between a square and a rectangle. And then go find a square. Maybe you can find a cereal box or a box in your pantry that is a square, and then find a box somewhere in your house that is a rectangle. Lots of rectangle boxes in the pantry. And see if you can tell your parent the difference, how you know one is a rectangle and one is a square. Great job, preschoolers. I'll see you soon. Bye.